So we're down here in Clapham in southwest London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project is we're going to be brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. As you can see, it's all been repointed in sand and cement. Used to be originally tuck pointed. As you can see, the original ribbons here in places, so customers having it all back in tuck pointing style. So we're showing some different colours of the ribbons, and customer can see what colour ribbon he'd like to go for. Upstairs, same sort of thing. Customers thinking about changing this little section of roof here to a nice slate. Some nice new fascia board and guttering and downpipe. Paintings are all okay here. Customers had loads of building work done, and that's not been painted that long ago. So we'll leave the decoration. All the parapet work we'll clean and tuck point. Brickwork is not in too bad condition at all. A few bricks here and there to replace, but overall it's not in bad condition. It's just the sand and cement pointing that's causing a bit of cracking through a few bricks here and there. Up on the top elevation, all of these moulded bricks, we'll get all these looking lovely and clean, sand all of them down, have them looking pristine as always. Top elevation, we'd be doing the parapets, faces of the parapets, get them all cleaned and tuck pointed. Again, just a bit of cracking through bricks here and there, and a few little blind bricks in a few areas, but overall bricks are in not bad condition at all. So yeah, this one will be a nice clean and tuck pointing finish, and it's going to come out amazing as always. Customer's really looking forward to getting this one started. There's been had lots of work done on the back of the house. We originally were supposed to start this in 2020, I believe, but due to the amount of work he's been having done, finally getting around to doing it for them now. So yep, we'll show you some more progress in the next couple of weeks once we get a bulk of this project underway. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Clapham in southwest London. This is another project all completed now. So what we did on this project was brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks as always. We've repointed all of the brickwork in a tuck pointing style, so I'm just going to give you a little close up of how everything looks. So as you can see, once again, another perfect finish to the brickwork as always. Looks really good, woody, soft red and London stock brick together. The ribbon really sets it off. Just take you upstairs and show you upstairs. Customer's doing some decoration work himself on this project. We're also going to be changing this roof to natural slate roof and a new step flashing just to finish everything off, and a nice new piece of guttering, fascia board and downpipe now. As you can see, looks absolutely stunning. The brick cleaning's come up really well. Looks absolutely gorgeous, this property now. Doing some landscaping as well once we're finished to get the scaffolding down. Customer's going to get the front garden done, Victorian path and a few other bits and pieces just to finish it off. But as you can see, the difference in the quality of the pointing to, like I say in my previous videos, a bog standard sand and cement weather struck finish. Having it done professionally makes a massive difference. All of the parapets are all done. Upstairs on the gable as well. Looks absolutely gorgeous, this property. Had lots of compliments from neighbours on the street how good it looks. So I'm pretty sure we'll end up doing a few more on this road. I'm looking forward to getting the scaffolding down, get some photographs and videos once the customer's finished with the landscaping and the last few bits and pieces, and it'll really set it off then. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, remember, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Clapham in southwest London. This is our tuck pointing project all completed now. So what we did on this project was brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Used to look like the house next door. So a very tired and worn look. So brick cleaned it, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks as always. Then we've repointed all the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a tuck pointing finish. So as you can see, perfect finish to the brickwork as always. What else we did on here? Done a new slate and lead work over the front door on the roof there. All of the parapet work's all been repointed on both sides. Customer is decorating this one himself, so he's just got a little bit of decoration work to finish off. Then we're going to come back, customer's going to have all of this landscaped on the front, then we'll come back, do a nice new plinth with some nice new period air vents just to finish that off. But this has come out really, really well. Looks absolutely amazing as always. Customer's really happy with how everything came out as always. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.